Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage view security for individual UDOs or for all the shared UDOs using the User-Defined Object Management application P98220U. To set up UDO view security, let us access the UDO Management application. Then select the Form menu and then select View Security. The Work with User-Defined Object View Security form opens in a new tab, thereby giving you an option to easily switch to the UDO Management application. Now click the Find button to load all the UDO View Security records. The benefit of setting up UDO View Security through this form is that you can authorize someone other than a system or a security administrator to manage view security for UDOs. In other words, you can have a user manage view security without giving them access to Security Workbench. You can set up view security for individual UDOs or for all shared UDOs of a particular UDO type. You can view the security records to which a particular user or a role has access to. You can also modify any existing view security record for selected UDOs. Let us now modify the view security for a couple of records. For example, change the settings for composite page UDOs, namely Procurement Manager Approval and Team Customer. As you can see here, the icon is red, which means that for this role, the view security is inactive. Let us see how the user can access these composed pages. For the purposes of this tutorial, I have already signed into Enterprise 1. As this customer, I can now view the Procurement Manager Approval Composed page, but not the Team Customer Composed page. Let us review the copy functionality in the View Security form. You can copy the security information from one user or role to another user or role. When you copy security, you can use the Copy and Add option to add the new security information to the existing security information, or you can select the Copy and Replace option to override the current security for the user. The copy functionality enables you to copy multiple view security records. You can also copy selected security records for a user or a role. You can select and copy one security record at a time or all the security records for a user or a role. Note that you can still manage UDO view security using the Security Workbench. Regardless of which view security form you use, the security records are reflected in both the versions of the view security form. Thanks for watching.